Hello my dear viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my channel Learn Something. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today I am going to show you VFX editing tutorial in Filmora 9. Nowadays VFX editing is the trending video editing to all of us. Till the video end and learn VFX editing in Filmora 9 software. If you don't know how to install and crack Filmora 9, click the I button and learn how to install and crack Filmora 9. I hope you can enjoy my video. So please like, comments, share and subscribe my channel. So, let's start and learn VFX editing.
At first, you have to open Filmora 9 software. And open new project. Then you can see the screen of the editing section and click here to import media. Then you choose your preferable video and click open. Now you can see in the timeline editing section, one is the video track and another is the audio track. You can add more audio and video track by right clicking on the blank line. You have to add another video track. Then you have to place your green screen video on second video track line. And background video placed on the first track line. Now I cut out the some part of that green screen video. Now I just check out the video. Then you have to double click the green screen video and select the chroma key. After clicking, you can see your green screen subject automatic cutout from that. For smooth playback, you have to click that button. Then you have to customize in the chroma key and set the offset and tolerance 100. Next, you have to also customize the edge thickness and edge feather. And if you want to drop shadow of that subject, just click on it and set it. Also, you can change the shadow color. After completing the green screen editing, you can add audio. So go to audio section and choose the audio. I want dronescape sound. Select that sound and drag and drop on that audio track. Set the duration parallel to the video and check it. Here you can add more green screen video, but one thing you have to remember that the background video always plays on the first track line. After completing the project, click to export and write file name and set the path location. Then click to export. Exporting time depends on your project work. So now I will show you the final project. You can create your own green screen video like that.
Hello my viewers and subscribers, how is it? Please tell me in comment section. I hope you enjoy my video and learn VFX editing. So please like, share, comments. And if you are a new visitor on my channel, please go subscribe for more important videos. Click the I button and visit on my friend's YouTube channel. Oh my god, Bengali Vines. Thanks for watching. See you again next video. Bye.